I want to start by saying that this video isn't going to be about the views or the algorithm. It is a genuine update for those of you who have been here from the very beginning. At the time of making this, there are nearly 27,000 of you who have subscribed, and I felt it was time to explain where this channel came from and where it's going next. From Freedom Reigns to Sentinel Dynamics. For almost 8 months, I posted, or at least tried to post, a different 3D print every day. Designs that were almost always the top rated on Thingiverse, MakerWorld, and printables. Now, I had been 3D printing for probably a couple years before that, but I think testing and showcasing so many different of these top designs really opened my eyes to how underrated this technology was, and how seriously it should be taken. But to understand why the shift makes sense from Freedom Reigns to Sentinel Dynamics, we have to go about 14 years earlier. Back then, inspired by RC Test Flight and all of his scratch builds, I started making RC planes out of Dollar Tree foam board. I was 12 years old, and as you can probably expect, my first plane was terrible. But it did fly, and from that moment forward, I was hooked. A couple of years later, probably around I think 2014, I strapped a camera and a video transmitter onto one of those Dollar Tree foam board RC planes and had my first experience of flying FPV. I have to be honest, seeing the world from the air through that little FPV camera completely changed everything for me. Fast forward another decade and 3D printing started to take off. I eventually bought my first printer, which was an Ender 3, and was instantly fascinated by additive manufacturing. I started printing everything I could think of, which this really inspired, I think, the inception of Freedom Reigns. Behind the scenes though, I was already designing 3D printed UAVs, both multi-rotor and fixed wing platforms from the ground up. I had already been doing this for years, but I think 3D printing really took it to the next level for me, especially with precision, customization, and all the different possibilities that it offers. It really did become a matter of material, printer settings, and just finalizing the designs. Over time, running a channel where I was both doing a short every day and then also trying to find time to design these UAVs, it became pretty impossible to juggle. So I am combining them. Moving forward, Sentinel Dynamics will focus on 3D printed UAVs, including the designs, the development, and all of the technology that's behind them. And yes, in the coming weeks, you will start to see some of these designs and products available for purchase, so you can kind of decide for yourself whether or not 3D printed UAVs is a gimmick or if it's the real deal. And finally, to the 27,000 subscribers who have followed Freedom Reigns and then now Sentinel Dynamics, thank you for subscribing. You have helped this grow from simple 3D prints to something much bigger. And while I've got a lot more to share, I will save the most of that for the upcoming videos. So until next time, thank you all for watching and welcome to Sentinel Dynamics.